Hello there, designer. You're welcome to today's episode of our measurement series. Okay, now in today's video, we're going to be learning how to take measurements for the upper part of a jumpsuit. Okay, now in the previous video we put up, what we learned was how to take accurate measurements for the lower part. Okay, and that is the trouser. You know that a jumpsuit is actually a half scale block and a trouser put together. Okay, so now we're going to be taking measurements for the half scale block, and I'm going to be showing you how to take measurements for that half scale block in order to get your jumpsuit right. Okay, now of course, when you're making dresses too, you use a half scale block and a skirt block, okay, to make up a dress. Okay, so this can also apply to the upper part of your dress. Okay, whether you're adding a flare skirt to it or you are adding a straight skirt to it. Okay, so I'm going to be going ahead right away. So first off, you're going to take your shoulder to your waist. Okay, now your waist is where your body goes in at this point, where your body curves in. So your shoulder to your waist, through your bust onto your waist. Okay, you're also going to take your waist circumference. So your half scale block stops on your waist, okay, on your true waistline. Now if you want more explanation on this, you want to reach out and take our complete beginners class. Okay, of course you're also going to take your shoulder to your bust. Okay, and then of course you need your bust circumference. Okay, so you can see how I'm taking this. Okay, now the next thing you're going to take is your bust span. Okay, so just the way I'm taking is how you will take. Okay, now this is for a basic half scale block. Okay, you don't need your shoulder to your hip for your half scale block. Okay, you also don't need your hip circumference for your half scale block. Okay, now depending on the sleeves you want, you can go ahead and take your sleeve measurement. And in the first video I put up, I taught us how to take measurements for your sleeve. So basically you have what you need for a half scale block. Okay, and of course this half scale block, which starts from your shoulder to this point, you can add a skirt to it, you can add a trouser to it to make it a jumpsuit, a skirt to it to make it a dress, or even a circle to it to make it a peplum top. Okay, so all of those you use your half scale to make. If you want further understanding and guidance on how or what I am talking about, you want to tap the link in the comment section and chat with me directly. Okay, thank you for watching this video. My name is Ruth Kenneth Ochoche and I'm the lead tutor at Sew with Bloom. See you in the next.